On the evening of February 6, 2020, what began as a routine traffic stop on Interstate 530 escalated into a high-speed pursuit as a black Dodge Charger tore through the highway at reckless speeds, pushing past 130 miles per hour in a desperate bid to evade law enforcement.
I'm up 530 northbound. It's going to be Arkansas. Mary, Sam, Adam, Charles, Lincoln, Paul. Going to be 1037 east, northbound at the 30. In and out of traffic. He's in the right lane, left lane. We're approaching the 28. Speed's 134. Could be a black Charger, RT. He's on the shoulder. Pine Bluff, notify Redfield, notify Troop A, 1019 that way, notify Supervisor also if you haven't already done that.
4 Pine Bluff, I'm 54. 38, what is it? What are you taking for?
It'll be speeding and improper tags. He's pulling out ahead of me. I think he's got the Charger RT model. Traffic's giving me trouble.
Short 38.
Go ahead, sir.
28 on it doesn't come back to that vehicle.
10-4, it does come back on there. It's just unable to read. It was very tinted and tinted tail lights, and speeding was the original PC. He's all over the shoulder again. We're approaching. Stand by. We're at the 24 Pine Bluff, northbound. He's still in my view. We're northbound at the 23.
34, 10-4. 38, 10-4. You did get a return on the 28.
10-4, I got a Charger return.
10-4. If you can't keep up with it anyway, we've got a return on the vehicle. Why don't you just 10-22 and we'll go with one later. Where is it?
Bryan, Arkansas. And I've got him. He's just a little ways in front of me now. I'm caught up with traffic.
Pine Bluff. I'm not with him. I'll be giving speed.
How will be 37
Speed currently 105, 107. 20-mile marker approaching the 46. How much traffic is there? Traffic is moderate. 1 over on the shoulder. Must be 124. Just head 20. Exit 20. North. Are y'all close enough where you can out of it?
Negative. He's still a little ways out in front of me. I'm just keeping a good eyesight on him.
I'm 131. We're still northbound. Approaching the 18.
38 Pine Bluff. Diesel speed's well over 150. Traffic's slowing it down some, but we're at the 17 now.
We're 18. I'm 129 Pine Bluff. Short 38.
Go ahead, 4. I can 1022.
Yeah, go ahead and cut it off. We're fixing to get into school traffic coming out too. So 1022, we'll give a true bang and see if they can check that address here a little bit. Where he used unmarked emergency passes. I was calling that Charger into true bang. What address y'all got for?
38, it's going to be 2608 Birdie Lane, Bryant. That's what I'm showing up.
2608 Birdie Lane, good more. We got a couple units from South Back on. Get this interchange list for him as well.
10-4, E38 Pine Bluff, 1022.
Pine Bluff E38, 10-4, Nick.
Hey, were you in pursuit with him?
At 10-4, well over 8 miles. He just kept staying out in front. The traffic wasn't cooperating with me.
Though the pursuit was ultimately called off for safety reasons, the driver, Nicholas Tyler Davis, would later find himself in custody, facing the consequences of his reckless flight from the law.